Hello friends, in yesterday's video lectures we saw atomic packing factor, that is packing efficiency in a solid state of different crystal lattice. In a last video lecture we saw a packing efficiency for simple cubic crystals. In today's video lecture we want to understand that second important point or second important type of crystal lattice, that is the body centered crystal lattice. In case of BCC unit cell, there are 8 constant particles or 8 atoms present at 8 corner of the cube, and 1 atom out of that is present at the body center. Hence, total number of atoms which are present in a BCC type unit cell is total number of atoms which is equal to 8 into 1/8 portion of every corner of unit cells plus one complete atom which is present inside the unit cell. So, total number of atoms which are present there is a 2. Everybody understood that how 2 atoms present there. So, 1 atom out of 8 corners and 1 is present inside the body of the cube. So, total number of atoms present inside in a 1 unit cell of BCC type is a 2. In BCC unit cell there are corner atoms do not match to each other. In picture you can, or in figure you can see that at every corner there are atoms, but that atoms are not touches to each other. Why? Because the center atom which is there, which pull that corners atoms away. Each atom touches to body centered atom, but all these corner atoms they are touches to the atom which are present inside the cube. So, the attachment in such a way that body centered atom and the corner atoms, they are present diagonal as shown in figure. The coordination number of BCC atom is BCC type of unit cell crystal is 8. That means every atom is surrounded to 8 other atoms, and that's why it become a coordination number become a 8. Here in BCC type of structures, if A is the edge length of the cubic unit cell and R is the radius of the atom, then lattice constant A can be calculated with the help of figure. So, you can see this is how you can calculate the lattice constant A. So, the distance between A and B is A as a edge length, or B and C is also called as A because it is also another edge, or C and D is another A, this is another edge. And I have in diagram you can see AD is also there, which is the diagonal portion. So, in a BCC type of unit cells, if you consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, that means angle which is triangle which is at base ABC. So, here if you use a Pythagorean equation, then you can understand that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So, what is AB square, which is equal to A square, and BC square is also A square. So, A square plus A square is equal to 2A square, that is a AC square. Since AC is equal to under root 2 up into A, in right angle triangle ACD, that is another triangle, in that again if you use a Pythagorean equation, then AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. So, here AC square is 2A square plus CD square is A square. So total AD square will be what? 3A square. Since AD is 4R, you know, in diagram you can see what is AD. Actually how it is 4R, because in there is a first half circle which having a radius R, then that is actually not a half circle. In at A corner, if you see, the radius of that atom at that corner is R. Then if you see in body centered atom, which is considered a half, if you take its diameter, then you will get a 2R, and at corner D there is another half atom, 1/4 portion is occupied, so there is another R is there. So there are AD is equal to 4R. Now if you put the value of AD in above equation, then you will get what? 4R square is equal to 3A square, or 3A square is equal to 4R square. And if you rearrange that equation, you will get what? A is equal to 4R upon root 3. Okay. Then volume of unit cell is, you already known that volume of unit cell is A cube, which is what? 4R upon root 3 cube. In short, if you solve that 4R upon root 3 cube, then you will get what? 64 upon 3 root 3 R cube. Okay. But volume of one atom is 4/3 pi R cube. Again we know that equation in lower standard also. So atomic packing factor is equal to what? Volume occupied by atom in unit cell upon volume of unit cells. So here how many atoms are present there? 2 atoms. So volume occupied by 2 atoms upon volume of unit cell is equal to 2 into 4/3 pi R cube upon 64 3 root 3 R cube. If you solve that, you will get what? Under root 3 pi upon 8. So if you solve that equation, you will get what? You just put the value of pi there, under root 3 into 3.142 upon 8, which is equal to 0.68. So for BCC type of unit cells, packing efficiency is 68%. So if 2 atoms occupy 68% space of whole unit cell, then how much space remains empty there? The percentage of void space is 32% only. So for BCC type of crystal or type of unit cells, there are, because of presence of 2 atoms, more space is occupied as compared to the simple cubic type of crystals or unit cells. Everybody understood the packing efficiency of BCC type of unit cells. Now we will move to the next point, that is the FCC type of unit cell. If any solid having a FCC type of structure, then in that FCC type of structure there are 8 constant particles present at the 8 corner of the cube, and 6 atoms are present at the 6 faces of the unit cell. That means every face occupy half of a portion of that atom. So total number of faces are there 6. Okay. Number of atoms due to 8 corners are how much? 8 into 1/8 is equal to 1 atom, and number of atoms present at 6 faces is equal to what? 1/2 into 6, which is 3, because every face only half of atom is occupied. So there are 6 faces, so 6 atoms occupy their spaces, that is nothing but 3. Total atom will be 3. So total number of atoms in FCC type of unit cell is 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. So total number of atoms in FCC type of unit cell is 4. Everybody understood that? Now you can see in this diagram how they are present. If A is the edge length of unit cells and R is the radius of atom, then in FCC type of unit cell, 2A square is equal to 4R square, or A is equal to 4R upon root 2. In FCC type of unit cell, 2A square is equal to 4R square, that is A is equal to 4R upon root 2. nearest neighbor distance, that means the distance between two atoms in a FCC type unit cell is 2r, which is equal to a under root 2 upon 2, or a is equal to 4r upon under root 2. In this case, volume of atom in unit cell is equal to what? N into V. So volume of atoms in unit cell is equal to N into V. That means for FCC there is 4 atoms are present in one unit cells. So 4 into multiply by volume of one atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. As we know that. So total volume occupied by unit cell is equal to capital V, which is equal to A cube. So that we already known that A cube is equal to what? 2 under root 2 r cube, that is equal to 16 under root 2 r cube. So if you take the atomic packing factor of this type of unit cells, then we have the equation that volume occupied by 4 atoms upon volume of unit cells. So 4 into 4 by 3 upon 60 under root 2 r cube, which is equal to, if you solve all this equation, you will get what? Pi upon under root 3 root 2, which is 3 root 2, which is equal to 3.142 upon 3 into 1.414, which is equal to 0.74. That means you will get, if you want to get this value in percentage, then you will get what? 74%. So packing efficiency for FCC type of unit cell is 74%. So out of 100% of FCC type of unit cells, 74% space is occupied by 4 atoms and only 26% space remains vacant. So among the 3 types of unit cells, that is in simple cubic structure, in body center cubic structure, as well as in FCC type of unit cells, FCC is more compact, near about 74% space of that whole unit cell is occupied, and that means it is more denser as compared to the BCC and simple cubic type of unit cells. So that you have to remember. So we will stop here for the packing efficiency of crystals. Okay.